Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for stopping in. Today we're gonna get this four-wheeler running. It needs a carburetor swap, and our carburetor actually came in. Not sure if I'm gonna use this filter or the filter that came with the machine. It just depends. A lot of times I like to use the filter that came with them because they're actually better filters. I want to stop and thank our sponsor, www.cfmotoUSAparts.com. Discount code CapitalRedneck. That's also currentrv.com. Get on over there and check them guys out. They can help you out with all your camping, RVing needs, all your CF Moto needs, parts, accessories, and whatnot. Also, guys, if you're local to me, I can help you out by fixing your stuff. Check this thing out. It comes with all required gaskets and filters and everything. She is ready to rock and roll, ready to bolt on and get down to business. Let's get this old carburetor out. These things are super easy to work on, guys. They're really easy. They're not hard at all. Now, guys, we're gonna want to pinch off this fuel line here. Otherwise, it's gonna spray gas everywhere. We don't want that. Sometimes you just gotta come in here with a pair of pliers and crack the throttle cable loose. Here's the old carburetor. See, they have these. Oh yeah, it's got bad gas in it too. They have these rivets in there. You can drill those out, but they're a pain. Just chuck it and get a new one. They're super cheap and easy. So we're gonna take this off of here so we can put the throttle cable on. Guys, this is actually easier than you think to do. Then you can put the spring right in this little hole. There we go. And the cable in that hole in the spring. There we go. Now we can put it in our new carburetor. And this only goes one way. There's a notch. You'll see the notch. And they'll line up where they gotta go, and it'll slide right down in. Looks like it's actually going to work very well. I'll just put it on there. It fits really good, actually. So now, you guys in there so you can see something. We got to get this old filter out of here. Alright, we got the old filter out of there. We have to get our new gasket up in there, which is easy to do. I'm gonna get one of our bolts. Put one of our bolts in there to start it. Now we're gonna slide the new carburetor in there. This is a tight fit, fellas. The next bolt in there. These bikes are so easy and cheap to work on. I really don't understand why nobody wants to do it. I mean, it's kind of is what it is. All right, the last bolt here tightened up. Got that tightened up. Now we gotta pop the fuel line back on. I was actually surprised this carb didn't come with new fuel line. I mean, this bike doesn't need it. It's still in great shape. But it'd have been nice. I do like to run new fuel line. Alright, got that hooked up. Get our handy dandy jumper pack. I love these things. I'll have a link down in the description. I use them all the time. Now, this battery is completely dead. The key switch is on. There's nothing. So now I got the brake lever zip tied so I could work on it. Let's see if she runs, boys. She should. Oh, better choke it, huh? Look at that, easy fix. All we had to do is put a new starter solenoid on it. I have a new battery coming Sunday for it. And we put a new carburetor on. That easy, guys. Oh, the guy put a starter in it and I had to pull the side case cover off because he didn't put the chain on the starter. So, yeah, man, that easy. All right, guys, I guess what we need to do is get this unfished. This old solenoid here, we don't need it. This battery down in. There we go. Got the seat on there. Now let's get it down and see if we can get Jarek taken for a ride. Ready to test drive it for me? Let's see how she runs. Ladies and gentlemen, he's the master ASE certified test driver is gonna tell us if it runs okay or not. Let's see what it does. There we go. There we go. It's running pretty good, isn't it? Hey, it's not a dirt bike. It's not a dirt bike. It already has training wheels. There we go. Running pretty good.
It's moving.
Yeah.
Sounds really good.
Brakes work too, don't they? There we go. There we go. All right. Go ahead and get off it. So guys, there we have it. We got 2 ATVs fixed, just waiting on a battery. Then it's done, it's ready to go. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I'm sorry it really wasn't very much longer of a video. I should have videoed fixing this one over here, right there, but I didn't. So maybe next time, if you guys like these type of videos, let me know, and maybe we'll video them a little bit more. All right, guys, peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.